If someone scrolls past your post in 2 seconds, it's game over. But what if you can make them stop instantly? Let me show you an AI tool that turns your text into scroll stopping visual. It's called Napkin AI and it might just be your new secret weapon. Napkin AI is a simple tool that turns your ideas into clear and engaging visuals. Perfect for social media, blog posts, and presentations as well. It's built for entrepreneurs, creators, and marketers who want their content to actually stand out. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works and why it can level up your content in just a few clicks. All right, you're looking at the Napkin AI website right now. I'll put the link down in the description. All you have to do is click on that URL and it'll take you to this website. So first, obviously you have to sign in if this is your first time, or you can log in. So all you have to do is click on this button, get napkin free, and you can log in with your Google account or just by signing with your email. So when you log in, you'll see something similar to this. So this is a napkin, they call it a napkin, and this is where you can type your text, or you can just cut and paste your text from ChatGPT or somewhere that you generated your content with. So the UI is very simple. You have your napkin. If you want to create a new napkin, you have this button up here. You can click on that, which will create another napkin, and you can see your past napkins by going into the library, and it'll list all your napkins down here. Other than that, you have styles here. You can pre-configure what kind of a style that you want to have in every napkin that you create here. And that's it, guys. There's nothing complicated here. So when you click on new napkin, you can either use AI to draft a prompt and draft a text that you want. Otherwise, you can import a file, or you can create a blank napkin and type your text there. All right, let me show you how it works. First, I'm going to give this napkin a title. Test is fine. And I'm going to take a basic idea and let's see how it works. Something like 3 ways to boost engagement on your next post. So once we paste some text over here, you can see there's a lightning bolt button appears to the left of that text. All you have to do is click on that button and it will generate a visual for this specific test. So let's click on that button and see what it comes up with. Boom, it just created a clean, professional visual that I can tweak in seconds. I can change colors, edit text, and even switch up the layout if I want something different. So let me show you how it works. You have several different styles. You can go down here and see. So let's go to the first one and see. It says strategies to boost post engagement. Okay, that's good. Thought-provoking questions, relevant hashtags, eye-catching visuals. All right. So this is pretty good. Once it's ready, I just hit download and it's done. Now I've got a graphic that I can post on LinkedIn, Instagram, and any other social media. So how can you actually use this? Let me give you a few quick ideas. This is how I use it mostly on LinkedIn posts, especially when I'm writing an article. So this is a recent article that I wrote on LinkedIn. I always try to use graphics and visuals to make it a little bit more engaging, because an article is kind of not a short form content. It's a little bit lengthy. So I always try to use graphics to make it a little bit interesting to the viewers. So this is one example. Other than LinkedIn, you can use it on Instagram, Facebook, and any social media that you can think of. You can use it to make clean carousels, or even overlay the visuals on reels for an extra visual punch. The other ways would be you can use these kind of visuals in client presentations and sales pitches that will give you an extra edge and make you stand out from the crowd, right? Here's why this matters. Most posts don't fail because their idea is bad. They fail because no one noticed them. Good visuals stop scroll and help people understand your message and make you look more professional as well. If you want your ideas to actually stand out, give Napkin AI a try. It's fast, it's kind of free, and honestly kind of fun. And hey, there are new AI tools coming out every week, most of them kind of useless, but I'll help you cut through the noise and find the ones that actually works for entrepreneurs and business owners. So if that sounds good, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.